Hi and welcome to an introduction to SharePoint. Today we'll be going through the following content. Why SharePoint? App interface, accessing SharePoint Online, using SharePoint in File Explorer, accessing different libraries and sites, sharing files, and the 3 ways of accessing SharePoint. So first of all, why SharePoint? SharePoint is included as part of your Microsoft 365 subscription. You have the ability to share documents with your colleagues so you can collaborate in real time, quicker and easier than attaching to an email and handling multiple versions. You can synchronize and access documents on your computer or mobile device so you can work on them offline, and you have permission management on folders and files. App interface. So here you can see the app interface and what it will look like. On the left there you have your navigation bar so you can access the different pages, so your documents, your notebook, etc. And then you have your activity bar down there on the left as well. So anything you've recently been working on will come up on there. Any news will come up in the news bar, so the latest news feed for your department. The site names listed up the top there on the left, so at the moment we're looking into the sales department. You've got quick links on the right there, as well as your documents listed down on the right, containing all of your folders and files. Accessing SharePoint Online. So you just want to type in the website login.microsoftonline.com and you want to put in your Microsoft 365 credentials, so your email address, and we're going to click on next and just enter the password for your Microsoft 365 account. And then we're just going to sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll automatically come to your Office 365 page, and you're going to go down on the taskbar and click on SharePoint. This is going to take you to your SharePoint interface through the website, and we're going to click on the sales group and just show you what it's going to look like. So you can see on the taskbar there, we're going to go into documents, and this is what it will essentially look like when you log into your browser. Using SharePoint in File Explorer. To access your SharePoint through your File Explorer, all you want to do is go on the left-hand taskbar and find where it says your company name, and then in there is your SharePoint files. So we're just going to go into quotes and show you an example. As we click into this file, we're going to go into the Word document which is saved onto your computer. And then we're just going to edit this document, and as you can see at the top there, it says it's saving automatically as you're editing it. So it has auto save on, so as soon as it's clicked save, it's automatically saved, and you can go out of that document now and it will have its edited version on there. We're just going to show you how to create a new folder as well. So you right click and go into new folder, and then just type in the name of your folder there, and then that automatically goes into order, and then you can add new files into there as well. It's automatically downloaded onto your computer. Just going to show you how to sync your SharePoint files onto your desktop. So we're going to go into the section that you want to go into, so sales, and then go into documents on the left hand taskbar. If we click onto that, then you'll be able to see at the top there where it says sync on the top taskbar, and we're just going to click on that, and then it automatically syncs onto your desktop for you. So there it's notified you're already syncing it, so it's ready to go onto your File Explorer, and then you go into the company, into sales and documents, and then all of the documents from your SharePoint will be on there. Accessing different libraries online. As you know, this is what the SharePoint interface looks like online. We're just going to click on that icon there, and on the left hand side you can see which sites you are a member of. So we're going to go into the sales one, and from here we're going to show you how to change over to the management one. So at the top there you can go to home, sales or management, so you can interchange whilst being on that one, and obviously you can see the documents there for the management one. And if we go back to sales, you can see it's just as easy as that. Sharing files. Sharing files. An email is sent to the recipient asking them if they would like to open the shared folder or files. So this here is what it will look like. We're now just going to show you how to share your documents. So we're going to use this as an example. You're going to go to the three dots on there and click on the share button. You have different link settings, so when you send a link you can send it to anyone with the link, people in your company, people with existing access, or just specific people. So for this example we're going to use specific people, and you can choose whether you want them to allow editing, and you can block them from downloading the document that you're sending as well. So now all we're going to do is just enter a name or the email address that you want to send it to, and then any other ones, or if you wanted to add a message to tell them why you're sending it to them or what it is, or if you need a response from it, then you just go into description there, and then you just want to click send like that, and then the link has been sent to that email address for you. Other features. SharePoint has also got the ability for shared calendars. This can be accessed online or synced to Outlook for quick and easy access. We're just going to show you how to access your calendar. So if you go to meeting room on the left hand taskbar, click into that and it will bring you straight to your calendar. On the top left hand corner you can choose a different month, but it will automatically go to the month and the date that you are in. As you hover over it, you can see where it says add in the bottom right hand corner when you choose a date. So if you click on where it says add, you are then able to create a meeting. First of all, you want to create a title and then a location. We're then going to go to start time and end time. So you want to put in the times that you want to have the meeting so that your participants know what time that the meeting's occurring. The description there is just for any extra notes that you need to send out to the participants. And then the category there is optional. You can choose whether you want it to be for a meeting or if it's an impersonal meeting, and then you can also make it an all-day event. So from there you're just going to click save, and then you can see that the meeting is now scheduled in for all of that team. So now we're going to go to the top bit where it says calendar and connect to Outlook. So we're going to sync your Outlook with So we're going to sync your SharePoint meetings with your Outlook. So once we get onto this page, it's going to ask to connect this SharePoint calendar to the Outlook, and then you'll be able to see the calendar. It has now been synced, so anything that you've added into SharePoint, any meetings will now come up in your Outlook. 3 ways of accessing SharePoint. You can do this via your web browser, so whether that's Google Chrome, Explorer, Safari. You can access SharePoint via your smartphone by downloading the app via the App Store or Google Play. You can also access the app through Windows 10 or Apple.